I received an inquiry from David regarding our mini lopper U2868. Just thought I'd do a quick video to show them both in action. This is the older stock. This is our new branded Amtech stock. Basically they'll cut up to at this point here 25mm. I've got a piece of wood here which I'll just put in. Okay, now I've gone to a thicker piece which is as thick as your thumb, and this is very dense grain. I believe it's hawthorn. Put it into there. That's with the original stock item. With the new one, same procedure. That's about a good 20mm, and then if we go to the really thick part of this hawthorn, and again it's cut it, and it's very dense timber because the rings are very close together, and it's green as well. It's just been cut down today, so hope that helps.